Brought to you by Penguin.
Artificial Intelligence: How Machine Learning Will Shape the Next Decade by Matt Burgess. Read by Jot Davies. Introduction. The age of artificial intelligence has arrived. Since the turn of the millennium, the nascent technology being developed in research labs for decades has crept into our everyday lives. It may not look like the sci-fi versions of AI fed to you through popular culture, but it is here. And it is making a huge difference to the world. By the point in the day that you're sitting down to read this book, or having it piped into your ears through an audio version, you will have interacted with AI multiple times. In almost every case, you may not have realized it was happening. It's now so ubiquitous in some of the products you use each day that you scarcely notice it. Facebook posts you liked in your newsfeed were shown to you because the company's AI has been monitoring your past activity and can forecast the ones you're most likely to give the thumbs up. Netflix has been pushing films and shows at you because it already knows what you like. When you unlock your iPhone through facial recognition, this is because Apple's algorithms have mapped your features and matched them with your stored faceprint. Every Google search you do surfaces AI-fueled results, generated by scraping the entire web's contents and ranking what may be most relevant to your search. Maps on your car's sat-nav generate the fastest routes based on a real-time understanding of movement data and knowledge of the world. And every time you mutter, "Alexa," or Amazon's smart speaker thinks it hears you say the wake word, AI processes what you have said and delivers what it calculates to be the most appropriate response. It's not just our everyday lives that are being transformed. In realms as diverse as healthcare and space exploration, AI is learning from reams of data collected over decades to help discover new drugs and hunt for new planets. Meanwhile, organizations from private companies to governments are increasingly using AI to improve their operations, reducing the administrative burden on people doing repetitive jobs. And we're still in the fairly early days of the AI revolution. Over the next decade or so, there's huge potential for AI to overhaul many of our most everyday activities, think self-driving cars and robotic delivery, and bring further benefits to the world. The technology will come to lead the fight against credit card fraud, help detect images of child sexual abuse being uploaded to the internet, and identify cyber attacks before they cripple businesses. As with all technologies, there are upsides and downsides to what AI has achieved so far, and might in the future. On the upside, it is being democratized. Whereas AI used to be the preserve of companies with huge resources, now it's available to anyone who wants to go online and buy the tools to implement it. Ultimately, both companies and individuals with no technical knowledge whatsoever will be able to make use of AI with ease. And of course, it's becoming ever more sophisticated. But there are potential problems too. Currently, the majority of the interactions we have with AI systems are relatively inconsequential. They are regular, sometimes seamless, and ultimately forgettable. An unhelpful search result or a few repeated attempts to unlock your phone aren't the sort of moments to be remembered for more than a few seconds. However, this technology can also be used to snoop on us and to monitor our every activity. It contains the power to threaten our civil liberties, our freedom, and our human rights, and, to an extent, is already being used for just these purposes. It's therefore no surprise that the world of policing should have become fascinated by it, or that governments are racing to become dominant in AI. It's a technology that raises major questions of power and control.